What happens after an arrest in Dallas? This is a common question I get from my new clients. They're kind of sitting around, they're saying, well, I was arrested for whatever they were arrested for. I had to go to jail and post bond or spend a night in jail and then post bond. Now I'm out on bond. What happens next? Well, there's something that's happening behind the scenes that you don't know about. Often when you're arrested, or most of the time when you're arrested, the arresting officer, the person that booked you in, that took you to the jail, is going to write a police report. Sometimes that police report is sent to his boss, who would be a detective. The detective looks at everything. Say if you're arrested for assault, he makes sure that all those elements are there, that there was probable cause to arrest you for assault or even DWI. And then all of that as a package is submitted to the Dallas District Attorney's office. And an intake attorney at the Dallas DA's office will look at whatever they submitted. If there's a police report, photographs, videos, and they make their own charging decision. So independently of, so say you're arrested by the Dallas police. Dallas police at this point have made a decision that you should be charged with, for instance, an assault. The DA's office makes their own independent decision. The intake attorney makes a decision about whether they should accept the case. If that case is accepted and it's a misdemeanor, then at that point you are officially charged with, in this case, an assault. If you are arrested for a felony assault, an example of a felony assault would be impeding breath. That means if police have alleged that you tried to choke someone, actually cut off their air supply, that's what they're alleging, that's a felony, and that has to go to a grand jury. A grand jury in Dallas consists of 12 people from the community, and 9 of those 12 people have to agree with the police that there was probable cause that you committed that crime before you can be charged or indicted at the felony level. So it's important to understand that you should not sit back after you've been arrested and say, well, I'm just going to wait and see if I've been charged, because I haven't been charged with anyone. I've just been charged with any crime. I've just been arrested by the Dallas Police Department. You shouldn't do that, because there are things that we can do for you. We can call the police department to see if there's anything that we can do to avoid you being charged with a misdemeanor or a felony. If we can convince the police or talk to the police and see if there's a way or if there's a defense to prevent your case from being presented to the DA's office, you're never even officially charged. We can cut it off at the arrest. The other thing that we can do in felony cases is we can get that discovery or all that alleged evidence the police have submitted to the DA's office to see if there's any weaknesses with that case, and we can present what's called a mitigation packet to the Dallas grand jury. As you can see, there are a couple of things going on after you're arrested, and there are also several things that we can do before you're actually charged with the crime. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. You can also visit us at verghese texas.com.